African buffaloes are one of the biggest animals on the African continent. Born with an unpredictable temperament, African buffaloes are a dangerous match for some animals you'd expect to be. They're predators like lions, jaguars, even elephants and rhinos. Humans are no exception from attack due to the fact that the African buffaloes are wild, not domesticated. They are reported to gore and kill more than 200 people each year. To be called the Black Death, African buffaloes are well documented as ferocious animals and can run with speeds of up to 50 to 60 kilometers an hour. When mature, their weight ranges from 1,800 pounds to 25 pounds, with a strong force using its shaped horns, and their length is from 30 to 48 inches. Lions and other top predators would be wise to take note of these features. With skin 1.5 to 5 centimeters in thickness, and hard horns ranging from 35.5 to 60 inches in length, rhinos are viewed as the African tank, owing to the fact that they are not frightened by any predators, even lions and crocodiles. Who will win though? If one rhino fights an African buffalo, I bet a majority would choose the rhino, winning maybe 80% of the time. But hold your horses, let's watch this video to see if maybe that 20% chance goes in favor of the African buffalo. Due to its extremely poor eyesight, a lost rhino has bravely entered the middle of a herd of African buffaloes and consistently attacks and provokes anything it perceives as enemies. An African buffalo has proven its strength with powerful headbutts. So, if you don't know, the African buffalo can easily knock over a car. I guess the rhino won't be sleeping well after that one. Let's analyze the way that this rhino is trying to punch some holes in the opponent's body with its iconic horn. This fight is likely to be unmatched, but the rhino had to outlast this heavyweight opponent. Oh my god, this is staggering. The rhino wants to give up. I guess it realized it had something better to do. So rushed home, letting the African buffalo triumph. With his victory, the African buffalo has easily gained a lot of admiration from others and secured his position as alpha. African buffaloes and elephants are the two largest herbivores on the African continent. With distinctive diets, they rarely clash. However, under certain circumstances, when these two enormous animals meet, sparks can fly over territorial disputes. With fierce battles, the buffalo attacks young elephants that unfortunately stray into its sight, and the elephant lets him have it right back. The outcome for the wild buffalo is undeniably tragic, yet seen repeated over and over again on the African savanna. In this video, the African buffalo has made a big mistake of leading us herd into the elephant's no man's land, which infuriates the elephants, causing them to storm around to drive out the annoying, uninvited house guests. At this point, war was inevitable. As we can clearly see, the poor buffalo is being crushed under the weight of the wild elephant, 13,227 pounds. Or to better help you wrap your head around it, imagine there are 5 pickup trucks on top of this buffalo. For me, I am utterly stunned. Did you hear something? Those are the unfortunate screams of an ill-fated buffalo being crushed. I won't lie, this may be hard to watch for some. Jesus, what a way to go. That is an undeniable fact of nature, that the strongest wins, and the elephant's rage expanded. It left afterwards. Now it's prime time for alliance and other predators. African buffaloes are an extremely bold and dangerous animal, especially in situations where it's cornered. Its strength is unpredictable. African buffaloes are one of the few animals that kill lions, helped by its 30 to 48-inch horn. Living in a herd, their top priority is protecting their calves. African buffaloes move together like a shield and have no fear of any predators. The buffaloes are the lion's primary prey, but it's hard for a lion to hunt an animal that is 5 times bigger. Therefore, it is extremely challenging for a lion to prey on an adult African buffalo, whose average weight is 18 to 25 pounds. while a lion weighs 450 to 500 pounds. Lions tend to prey on weak and slow calves. The lions in this video need to have a strategy where they scare the buffaloes and drive them apart so that the lions can focus on its prey, young African buffaloes. But not every hunt is successful. This lion is too reckless. The mother comes to protect her calves. Powered with maternal love, doubling the strength of the mother, she becomes aggressive and gores the lion with a hard hit. To save its life, the lion runs away. The lion has lost its pride, poor him. I bet this lion is in luck for having escaped and survived from the buffalo gore. He just has mild injuries and is looking for some medical help for his leg. One can't help but wonder if he learned his lesson of tangling with a buffalo. Leopards are one of the most dangerous predators. Its well-known ability to sneak up and prey on animals enables them to be the most successful animal. Among other big cats, leopards can reach speeds of more than 60 kilometers per hour and has a bite force of 310 pounds per square inch. It often bites the prey's neck, levering its big head and powerful jaw muscles. As a result, it is capable of carrying animals 3 times heavier and will often drag their prey into a tree several meters off the ground. In this video, this leopard is stalking its prey. In preparation, the leopard has decided to have steak for today's meal. The newborn calf is its prey as it continues its stalk. But the leopard is going to have a stroke of bad luck. As it is dragging the calf away, the buffalo herd catches him red-handed and attacks him back. That steak he ordered is now out of reach. It could survive and escape with injuries on its legs after being gored and trampled by the buffaloes. Afterwards, it is still alive, but it will take a while for recovery. Likely the leopard will recover soon, but probably avoid thinking of that steak.